Hi, my name is Deb G. I'm going to do a how-to video today on how to create a memorandum and save it into a Word document. First, I'm going to go to the home page on my Word, and I'm going to choose New Blank Document. Okay, so first of all, I'd like to go ahead and I want to let you know that I'm referencing the Professional Business Associates Style and Reference Manual. It's a 40-page manual on basically how to create any document that you need to do. And we are using page 17 of this to create a memorandum. All right. So, pardon me. We have our blank document right here. First, we're going to go to Layout. We're going to set our margins. We need 1 inch on top, 1 inch to the side or to the left. There we are. We're going to go ahead and set our spacing. These are set already. It is going to be double spacing, and then when we get to the body of the memorandum, it will be single spaced at that moment. Okay, then we're going to go to the home. All right, so the first direction on this is the title of the memorandum is going to be 16-inch bold typing, so that is what we're going to do. I was told to use Calibri as the body. All right, so we are going to cap lock memorandum. We're going to double space down, and then with the bold and cap locks, we're going to go to, then we're going to tab twice, unbold, and this is going to continue on. Part of the directions gave us a preset date of September 9th, and then we are to add the correct current year. So that's what I've done. Date, we're going to go bold, subject. Okay. Okay, so when we're done with that, we're going to double space it down. Oops. Okay, there we go. We're going to go to the body of our memorandum. I'm going to go ahead and type that out. And, okay, and then finishing up highlights from this section are, oops, excuse me, are listed below. So right here, I'm going to enter it there, but then I'm going to go up to the home and I'm going to go ahead and start a numbered, because there are 4 numbers they reference. First one, going down to 2, okay, tax purposes. All right, then we're going to go in, oops. So it went directly to the next number. So instead what I do is I just back it up, and then it's, there we go. It's going to back me up to the far left. I can finish my last note on the statement. Attention to time end. Oh boy. Attention to this matter. Then we're going to double space it one more time, and I'm going to, so the creator of the document then leaves it lowercase initials. I did notice though that when I go to tab it, it wants to bring me the capital there, so I'm just going to go back, put this lowercase letter there, then double space it there. At this point, you could add on enclosures or attachments. You could say enclosure attached here or attachment attached here. But otherwise, we are done, oops, with our document, except for that we're just going to back that up there. Perfect. We are going to File, and we are going to save it to our OneDrive, and we are going to put it in our Office Procedures. And I'm going to save. File name here is going to be oh my goodness, Deb G memorandum video, and save. Okay, that is it. You can then you can go up here and you can share it, or whatever you need to do. But that is the end of how to do the memorandum Word document. Thank you.